Hi, I'm Florian, and I'll quickly show you some basic adjustments of the windows. It's very important that you adjust the windows as soon as you get them or as soon as you install them, and you shouldn't operate them until they are adjusted, because you could easily damage the seals by using a non-adjusted window. They need adjustment because they're shipped around climate zones, your humidity might be different, so it's very easy. It takes a few minutes per window, so just follow me through, and with a little bit of practice it's going to be very easy for you to adjust the entire job full of windows. We usually ship you 3 tools with a window order: the on-site handle or production handle, a 4mm Allen key, and then, especially on passive house projects, this 4mm Allen key with a special nut on it that allows you to adjust the closing pressure of the window. In case you don't have these tools, don't worry, you can use a regular handle instead of this, and you can use a 4mm Allen key for most other adjustments. Now, first, for install, it makes it much easier to take the sash out of the frame to make the window more lightweight. In order to do that, you pull off this cap just by hand, click, and you use the back side of the adjustment handle to pull out this pin. After you've done that, unlock the window, tilt it out, and lift the sash out of the frame. Now you have a much lighter window for install. That's going to make your job much easier. After you're done, to put it back in, just put it back in here, set it where it should go, close it, push the pin up from underneath, and it will just slide in with your fingers. Now to adjustment. The window should operate really smoothly. It should go all the way to the closed position without much resistance. It should be turned down to lock and up to tilt without major resistance, and should really work like this. Now, often enough you'll see that's not the case when they're freshly shipped. The sash can be adjusted to be moved up and down, sideways at the bottom and sideways at the top. By moving it sideways at the top and not at the bottom, you get to rotate it a little bit. Okay? So, to find out what's wrong, you want to try to close it and figure out where it's hanging, and then think whether it goes up, has to go up or down or sideways. Most windows have to be adjusted up and over to the hinges. Okay, let's go to the first adjustment, the up adjustment. The up adjustment is in the main hinge, so we have to open the window a little bit and pull the cap of the main hinge up. On this hinge, you see there's from the top an Allen key bolt. This is the height adjustment. You can use this 4mm Allen key that we provide, or any other 4mm Allen key, to turn it. This is up, turning it in is up, this is down. You would usually not want to do more than 2 or 3 half rotations here before checking the window again and checking for results. Second adjustment is to adjust the lower part left to right. In order to do that, you pull off this cap, open the window, and you can adjust this screw that goes sideways here either from the inside or from the outside, depending on where you have better access from. This moves the window sideways at the bottom, or alternatively you can access this screw from this side. After you're done, just clip the covers back on. The top side-to-side adjustment is in this upper hinge. In order to access it, open the window, and you'll see there's an Allen key at this point. Also, in case you have a problem with the handle of when you're shutting the window all the way, that the handle doesn't want to go all the way into the closed position, doing this adjustment usually helps. You usually have to tighten this to rotate the frame to take pressure off the locking mechanisms. A rare adjustment that you sometimes do, especially in a passive house when you're trying to squeeze out the last bit of air tightness, are these little off-center bolts. That's what you need this special key for that I usually ship you. Now, these off-center bolts, if you turn them, you're increasing the locking pressure. You just put the tool on and turn them, in one or the other direction, depending on if you want to increase or decrease the locking pressure.